up, you guys? BellaRose here from TechCity. It is so good to be back. Today on TechCity, I'm going to be reviewing a laptop. Well, so it is a laptop and then some other very interesting things. Ever so often, we're excited about smartphones that are launched and everything, but it's only occasionally that people, of course, change their laptops, and it's only occasionally that they are excited about a new laptop. And so, on one of such occasions, it is us talking about the ASUS ZenBook Flip S. Now, this laptop I'm going to review, but before then, let us do an unboxing. This is the ZenBook. We will study it in a bit. This is where the charger is. It's a complimentary bag for your ZenBook. Them cords. Ta-da! So now that we have the unboxing out of the way, let us now go to the actual functionality, the hardware, how beautiful it is, and every other thing that you are perhaps looking for in a laptop, and something else or a few more things that the ASUS ZenBook Flip S comes packed with. First off, check out our website for the ASUS ZenBook 14. The review is on our website and on our channel as well. I'll leave a link somewhere in this video, whether it's up here or down below, so look out for that. Now back to the ASUS ZenBook Flip S. It weighs 1.2 kg and it is as thin as 13.9 millimeters. That is so cool because it's great to see that not only our smartphones have gotten slimmer and all of that, but even our laptops as well. So it's not bulky or anything. So let's now take a look at the build, right? It comes in black and copper. I like the copper color with the black fusion. I think it's really beautiful. The aesthetic is just good on the eye. The ASUS on this one is written in copper, and there are very nice highlights and very nice trims of copper also round the edges of the laptop. On this side, right, it's got an HDMI port. It also has two USB Type-C ports as well. Now, what's interesting about these USB Type-C ports is the fact that because the ASUS does not come with your traditional headphone jack, your 3.5mm jack, it has this cable here that is USB Type-C, which also has a 3.5mm jack outlet that you can plug your earpiece to. You may need to be careful so you don't misplace this, but of course, if you do, you can use a Bluetooth earpiece with the laptop because it does have Bluetooth. It's 2021. The charger also is a USB Type-C charger. On this side, on the other hand, it's got a USB port, just like your traditional USB port. There's an extra cable that the ZenBook comes with, which is a LAN cable. I like it so much because this does not disenfranchise you in the event that Wi-Fi is not fantastic. And of course, you know that sometimes it is a letdown for some people when you're using your laptop, and because you don't have a LAN port, you are just disenfranchised because Wi-Fi is not working, LAN is the only thing that's working, and it's just stressful. So this has, you know, an outlet for your LAN cable, so you can put your LAN cable in here and then plug with your USB just to your laptop, and then you can continue browsing. For me, this is great. I will not misplace this kind of a thing, I promise you. So I really do like that. I guess that's about all. Okay, first, the power button is on this side as well, just beside the USB port. So at the bottom of the ASUS ZenBook Flip S, I was thinking initially that this was the air vent. Apparently not, because there are no holes. And what makes a vent is the hole that's there, right? Right here, just by the hinge of the laptop, is the air vent. So you need to pay attention to that when you are going to be placing your ASUS ZenBook Flip S in some places. But you know, cool stuff that's not underneath. So yeah, to mention that. Let's now go to the interior. So we turn on the laptop, and I need to mention that it takes seconds for it to come on. I'm not sure what's going on up there, but it doesn't take long at all for it to power up. So basically, this is what you have. It is really pretty, absolutely so. So there's the camera, which is just right here. Okay, now you can tell that it's touch screen as well. So you could go from one app to the other. You could view your web pages using the touchscreen feature. beyond the fact that it's a touchscreen and it's a laptop, it is a convertible. You've heard of convertible cars and the likes. This also is a convertible ZenBook. It is a laptop and it is also, look at that, Don't do it, Bella. Too late, I did it. It is also a tab. If you mistakenly press the keyboard, it's not going to affect anything, which is what I like. Initially, I thought, this is a bit uncomfortable with the keyboard at the back. It felt a bit weird. But thankfully, no matter how many buttons your finger presses on the keyboard, when it is in tablet mode, absolutely nothing goes wrong. And that's really great. So let's go back to laptop mode, shall we? The laptop mode of the ASUS ZenBook Flip S has this touchpad right here that you can use the stylus pen with, which is really great, like I said, for illustrators, animators, artists, etc. But beyond that, which is kind of obvious, right? This touchpad also has a number pad or a calculator, and you can turn this on by clicking on this soft touch key here at the top right corner of there you go, boom, it comes on. I was talking about how sexy, yes, the backlight on the ASUS ZenBook Flip S keyboard is. The backlight is so nice, y'all. But what's interesting is you can only increase the brightness, and I will show you what I mean by that. There is just one button that controls the brightness of the backlight of the keyboard, and that's this F7 key right here. When you click on it, this is the lowest it can be. When you click on it again, it increases it and says brightness up. One more time, and that is maxed out. If you click it one more time, it goes off. So there you go. So people say sometimes that, oh, your camera, the owners of the company, they are watching us. Your camera is always taking feeds. And I don't know that that's true, but ASUS may have fanned the flames of those kinds of comments by giving you a feature that allows you to turn off the camera on your ASUS ZenBook. Even when it is not launched and you're not using it for anything, you can turn the camera on or off by this click of a button. So do with that what you will. So I want to take a screenshot of the screen that I'm viewing right now on the ZenBook Flip S. I will do that by this F11 button. I press this and it gives me the option of selecting a portion of this screen to actually save, or doing a free drawing, or the entire page. So I will go first for a portion of the screen and take just this first paragraph, and it saves to my clipboard, right? Alternatively, I could press the same button and do this, and I could just take this man's hand. Oh my gosh, and it saves that. Stickers made easy. Or I could go like so and take an entire snip of the window. I just do this and it saves the entire page for me. Boom, boom! I so much love it. So the camera on the ASUS ZenBook Flip S is exactly what you see right now. Now they boast of AI noise cancelling microphone on the ZenBook Flip S, which will work great for meetings and whatnot. But for the video, you may not be using much of the camera beyond meetings and whatnot. So it kind of works in that regard. It does video recording as well. So if you find that useful, go for it, please. Now let's go on to talk about storage space on the ASUS ZenBook Flip S. It is a device that comes with as much as 16 gigabytes of RAM and wait for it, 1 terabyte of storage space. That is incredible. Also, the processor is an 11th generation Intel Core 2.8 gigahertz, and the graphics card is Intel Iris R Xe graphics. So I need to also talk about the display on the ASUS ZenBook Flip S. It is one thing that this device has gotten a lot of kudos for. The display is crazy. And so I think that it is a really great upgrade. In the event that you want to get a new laptop, I highly recommend the ASUS ZenBook Flip S because it is really slick. And you know you like to use slick stuff. This is definitely going to align with your lifestyle as a corporate person as well. If you do tons of stuff that needs storage, 1 TB, you guys, that is impressive. It is pretty light as well. You could take it literally anywhere with you. It's really lifestyle oriented, and so if you like stuff that's light, that's very easy on the eye, stuff that's really beautiful and that will make you the synergy of all eyes when you whip it out at meetings or you're doing presentations and whatnot, and you just love ease of doing stuff, right? This is what you should go with. You don't have to go with a tab and a laptop to one place in the event that your smartphone perhaps is low on battery or whatever. There's tons of stuff that you could do here because of the synchronization feature as well. So it's easy to use, it's beautiful to look at, and the battery power is not bad at all, and the storage space is epic. So that is why it comes highly recommended in the event that you are out there shopping for a new laptop.